Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I want to give you guys my driving impressions of the E85R tune from Lund. And just a little update on the Mustang. If you guys have seen my video on how I have the tick and everything, I mentioned that this brake caliper needs to be repainted right here. So you can see it needs to be repainted there and down below right there. So we're gonna go take it and get that done. And if you guys can't tell, it is pretty ashy because it rained the other day in Vegas. But let's go and hop inside and get our impressions on this E85 tune. All right guys, let's get going here. So just give you guys a little perspective because it is a little bit cold today. So it's 54 degrees, so the car might not hook as great as it would normally hook in this cold weather. But actually, let's go ahead and take off onto the street right here. I'll take off traction. Oh my god, it actually hooked pretty good. Ooh. Needless to say, it feels a lot quicker on E85 than on the 91 tune. And if you guys don't know, the E85R tune is supposed to be used only with pure tested E85 in the tank. So that's what I have right now. I have almost I'd say about 3/4 of a tank of full pure E85. I made sure all the 91 was gone. I ran the flex tune for a little bit while I put in the E85, and then like halfway through that I flashed the R tune. So we have pure E85 in here. And then one thing that Lund does is they make it so that it goes through all the gears with the transmission. And that's cool if you like that, but sometimes it can shift a little too high for my taste. So on my 91 tune, I told him if he can make it have the skip shift logic again, because I like the skip shift when I'm just kind of cruising around, because it shifts like kind of early in the RPMs and it doesn't sound all loud like you're trying to race when you're just driving normally. So that is one thing, is that unless you request it, they will make it go through all the gears. All right, let's step on it a little bit over here. Oh yeah. E85 is gonna be fun. Oh, and by the way, I'm getting ready to go to a drag strip to see what my car can actually run at the drag strip, because I'm really curious. I did some quarter-mile test on like a GPS timer and all that, but I want to see what the real time is. Ooh, a C7. I'm about to go up there and give him a run. Nice, kidding. I might be able to beat a stock C7 actually, now that I think about it, with my E85 tune. I'm sure there's probably videos online about that. That'd be an interesting race. If anyone has a C7 stock, I want to see how it does against an E85 Mustang. Hit your boy up. All right guys, we're gonna put in an S here when we take off from this light and see how it shifts in sport mode. All right guys, here we go. The shifts are so fast, wow. This is an impressive tranny. I don't know if Lund did anything with like the shifting, like speed or the firmness or anything, but it's pretty quick for sure. Oh, we got a Tesla over here. Gotta be careful of those Teslas, because sometimes they can be a fast one. That one is a Model Y dual motor. So I will be able to destroy that one, at least when I'm already rolling. Let's try these downshifts, see if the paddle shifters are smooth. Okay, so it's smooth for every single gear except for second. That's interesting. Because on the stock tune, 3, 2, 1 would all be jerky on the paddle shifters. But on this tune, only second gear is jerky. So that's kind of weird. But at least it's nice that you can go into first gear without it bucking like it did before. Because the 10-speed in the Mustangs does not like downshifting in the first gear. At least mine didn't. paddles are really nice. Really quick. Wow. Oh, wow. I don't use the paddles that often, but man. Wow, it's shifting really good, actually. Super fast. Try some downshifts here. Yeah, it feels really nice, actually. I really like it. By the way, if any of you guys care how the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's perform in the rain, because it rained yesterday, they're actually surprisingly good in the rain. I thought that, because these tires in the cold aren't the greatest, so I thought that in the rain it was going to be like an ice skating rink. But it actually wasn't that bad. It was actually pretty controllable in the rain. Quite a bit of traffic out here, but if we get a little open area, I'll do another on throttle for you guys. Alright guys, we're on the highway now, so I want to do some downshifts and see if we can do a little acceleration over here. Still a little bit of traffic, but hopefully it's not slippery on this freeway, because that could be bad. We'll just try 6th gear. Oh man. So according to Lund, they say that the R-Tune, in comparison to the Flex Tune with E85, the R-Tune is able to shove in more timing, like down low and in the mid-range. So it's supposed to give you more low-end and mid-range power with similar peak horsepower. And I'd say I noticed the low-end power just like there's a little bit extra low-end power. I'd say I can notice that, but it's not a huge difference from the Flex Fuel Tune. But this one runs so much better than the Flex Fuel Tune. If you guys remember my Flex Fuel Tune review, it would idle weird. It would like, because it has to like learn the ethanol percent, and it's not like 50% of the time it'll idle weird, and I just didn't like that. It wasn't fun to drive it that way, and then sometimes it would start like bucking and surging, and I didn't like that. Let's try doing a little tiny acceleration here. We'll try 4th gear this time. Oh man, okay. Yeah, it's pretty quick. I think with E85, like the E85R Tune and like just tune only, I think it's supposed to be good for maybe 490 or 500 to the crank, maybe. Like, I don't want to overestimate. If you guys have an idea or know, leave it in the comments. But I think it's supposed to be around 490 to 500 crank, because I have a catback exhaust and then the E85R Tune. So I think that's good for around, you know, like I said, 490, 500. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. But anyway, we're about to arrive to the place where I got my brake calipers painted. They're gonna fix that little spot I showed you. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when we're done, and then we'll finish up this video. All right guys, car is still dirty, but here's the left rear. You can see it's all nice and cleaned up now. There's no more of that peeling or cracking, whatever it was. So we're all set. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video of the E85 tune. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.